locations that are now in India, resulting in the Treaty of Sugauli. The boundaries of Nepal were determined in this treaty, and many things were addressed and agreed upon, and these are the boundaries of Nepal even today. So basically, those are the areas represented in the Greater Nepal map, which was released by the Mayor Office. Since Mayor Balendra Shah is a youth icon and leader who appears courageous, and a few people look forward to him as a potential prime.
आज की वीडियो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है क्योंकि आज हम ग्रेटर नेपाल और अखंड भारत के बारे में बात करेंगे कि नेपाल में और इंडिया में इस टाइम पे ग्रेटर नेपाल और अखंड भारत के बारे में क्या बात की जा रही है। वीडियो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है क्योंकि आपको सबको पता है कि ग्रेटर नेपाल का मैप जो है वो बालिन शाह ने अपने ऑफिस में लगाया। तो वीडियो देखते हैं, फिर आपके साथ शेयर करते हैं ग्रेटर नेपाल के बारे में बात कि क्या बात हो रही है ग्रेटर नेपाल के बारे में। चलिए वीडियो देखते हैं।
Before I begin, I would like to clarify that this is just an analysis of the subject, not an endorsement of the Greater Nepal or Akhand Bharat. Still, if any of my words or facts offend anyone's emotions, I apologize. In other words, we always consider Nepal as a brother, and we share a proud history and a religion and a lot in common. In India, we have our very own Nepali speaking community, which numbers around 1.4 crore people, and their culture is being nurtured here as well. So we don't want to offend anyone. In addition to the commonly spoken language in India, Hindi scripts employ Devanagari, and the same as Nepali uses Devanagari for their language scripts. So in certain aspects, we are identical. So, day May 28, 2023, in India, a new parliament was inaugurated, which had new technology and capabilities. Glimpses are breathtaking, especially when compared to the other nations. But neighboring countries like Pakistan, Bangladesh and Nepal objected to the image that was installed in parliament, which was in general terms called as Akhand Bharat and Undivided India. Later, possibly on June 8, other picture became viral, known as Greater Nepal, emerged from the chamber of Kathmandu Metropolitan City Mayor Balendra Shah. And this started the social media rambles with each country's citizen insulting each other, which resulted in nothing. So let's find the presence of Greater Nepal and issues that were raised along with Akhand Bharat mural reality and the country's inner core. With the photo of Mayor's office, it raised the issue in India. Does Greater Nepal exist? So if you look closely at the Greater Nepal map, you will notice that includes numerous parts from North Bengal, Gorkhaland areas, Sikkim and even a few parts of Bangladesh in the east to Kumaon, Garhwal and few portions of Himachal in the west, as well as several places from the Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Varanasi as well. This is essentially an overlay map of the Great Gorkha Kingdom during its peak in the late 1700s. Under the Prithvi Narayan Shah, and the Gorkhas ruled these Indian places for so many years. According to history, he had a vision to unite the kingdom rather than keep it in bits and pieces. But his desire remained a dream because he died in 1775 in Devighat, Nepal. Later, Bhimsen Thapa ensured that Gorkha continued to extend their area, and he was rapidly expanding until the British stepped in. Because Britishers needed to trade with Tibet and collaborate with them, but getting through Nepal was a problem. Later, the famous Anglo-Nepalese conflict occurred, and they were defeated from numerous locations that are now in India, resulting in the Treaty of Sugauli. The boundaries of Nepal were determined in this treaty, and many things were addressed and agreed upon, and these are the boundaries of Nepal even today. So basically, those are the areas represented in the Greater Nepal map, which was released by the Mayor Office. Since Mayor Balendra Shah is a youth icon and leader who appears courageous, and a few people look forward to him as a potential prime minister, the photo quickly became popular on social media. Of fact, the mural has already been established in India. However, India's external ministry stated that it is from the Mauryan Empire of the Ashoka that people-oriented governance is represented.
It says it depicts the spread of the Ashokan Empire and the idea of responsible and people-oriented governance.
It is not meant to hurt anyone's feeling, and any aim of showing other countries in our territory comes entirely from history. After this clarification, the Nepalese protest was reduced, and Nepal's PM Pushpa Kamal Dahal also visited India. But according to news agencies, nothing was talked about these remarks or any unintentional concerns. Despite the fact that Gorkha Kingdom was significantly larger than current Nepal, and it was the king's ambition to unite the country, but this raises some question on a geopolitical level today, with parties such as Greater Nepal Nationalist Front still campaigning for the Greater Nepal. We believe that despite the lack of an official statement from Nepal's Prime Minister on the matter, they would understand the seriousness of the situation, which could have a major impact for both countries. Without a doubt, Nepal is a country with free will, but for the outside world, it appears like both countries, which are like brothers to each other, have strained relations, which is not the case. So instead of focusing on such concerns, both countries should look forward to developing their own countries. It is preferable for young people to do a job rather than ramble on social media. On the other hand, India should be careful and avoid such things. And if they do post such things, they should send the message loud and clear and gain the trust of neighboring nations, because that is what a big brother do, understand sentiments truly. Well, the final decision is yours. Long live brotherhood. Thank you.
Details.
Cultural heritage. Okay.
Our neighbor country.
Okay.
इंडिया हमारा छिमेकी राष्ट्र है.
And secondly, culture same है नेपाल का और इंडिया का culture and naturally भी इंडिया बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे. वही.
उधर का तो मोदी है ना, मोदी वो हमारे केली बागा दोस्त है वो.
वहाँ का कल्चर
ओके.
हिंदी नहीं आती है.
हिंदी नहीं आती है? बोल तो रहे हो, इसी को तो हिंदी बोलते जो तुम बोल रहे हो.
And Bollywood movie.
बॉलीवुड
स्वाद अच्छी लगती है.
वहाँ का कल्चर
काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है भाई ये. ओके.
केली बागा दोस्त है वो.
वहाँ का कल्चर
ओके.
हिंदी नहीं आती है.
हिंदी नहीं आती है? बोल तो रहे हो, इसी को तो हिंदी बोलते जो तुम बोल रहे हो.
And Bollywood movie.
बॉलीवुड स्वाद
अच्छी लगती है.
वहाँ का कल्चर
काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है भाई ये. वीडियो आप लोगों ने देख ली, काफी इंटरेस्टिंग लगी होगी. ग्रेटर नेपाल के बारे में मैं जितनी बात करूं उतनी कम है, उतना ज्यादा लोग इसको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि ग्रेटर नेपाल एक तहरीक ऐसी है जिसको नेपाल के लोग पसंद कर रहे हैं. नेपाल के लोग इसके लिए काफी ज्यादा पुरजोश हो चुके हैं. देखिए, नेपाल में आप इस टाइम पे देखेंगे तो जगह जगहों पे पैम्पलेट्स बट रहे ग्रेटर नेपाल के. साथ में लोग चाह रहे हैं कि ग्रेटर नेपाल के बारे में बात की जाए. कोई भी न्यूज एंकर माइक या कैमरा उठा के किसी भी आम आवाम, किसी भी आम जनता के पास जब जाती है तो ग्रेटर नेपाल का अगर वर्ड आ जाता है तो वो पूरी डिटेल के साथ बताते हैं कि ग्रेटर नेपाल क्या था, क्या नेपाल क्या है. अभी रिसेंटली हमने आपके साथ एक वीडियो शेयर की थी जिसमें मैंने आपके साथ ग्रेटर नेपाल के बारे में बात की थी और नेपाल के लोग किस तरीके से ग्रेटर नेपाल के बारे में बात करें, क्योंकि आप सबने देखा होगा कि ग्रेटर नेपाल एक मूवमेंट बन चुका है. और मूवमेंट सिर्फ इस वजह से बन चुका है क्योंकि नेपाल इस टाइम पे चाह रहा है कि ग्रेटर नेपाल बने. नेपाल की आवाम भी यही चाह रही है. और ये क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि बालिन शाह ने अपने ऑफिस में ग्रेटर नेपाल का मैप लगाया. अब इससे पहले अखंड भारत था. अखंड भारत के बारे में आप सबको पता है. और अखंड भारत क्यों इतना वायरल है? अखंड भारत का मैप इंडिया ने अपने संसद भवन यानी पार्लियामेंट के अंदर लगाया, जिसकी रिप्लाई में नेपाल ने ग्रेटर नेपाल का मैप लगाया. अब अगर ग्रेटर नेपाल को देखे और अखंड भारत को देखे तो अखंड भारत उतना वायरल नहीं है जितना वायरल ग्रेटर नेपाल है. ग्रेटर नेपाल में पूरी दुनिया में उसके ऊपर बात की जा रही है, पूरे लोग उसके ऊपर पसंद कर रहे हैं वीडियोस को. वो क्यों? क्योंकि लोग चाह रहे हैं इस चीज को. लोग इसीलिए भी चाह रहे हैं क्योंकि नेपाल और इंडिया के ताल्लुकात भी बेहतर है और नेपाल ये चाहता है कि हम ग्रेटर नेपाल की जमीनें इंडिया से ले ले. ये थी वीडियो. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें.